Hello guys, once again, I welcome you to my channel, and today I'll be taking you on how to promote CPA offers and get good result. I've gotten question on how to do this, so I can, and those people are asking me to make videos, so I'm not going to be giving videos to everyone. Like, I'm not going to be making different videos to anyone. It's going to consume my time, and you should know I have a lot of work on my own hands too. So that's why I've recorded this video so that it will be convenient for everyone. So how we're going to do this? First, you need a CPA platform. And what I love about CPA is you don't have to sell anything. You just have to bring lead. What lead means is you don't have to bring a qualified somebody, like a qualified email address. A qualified email address. So when they submitted an email address, you're gonna get paid in some cent or probably $1 to $2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a CPA platform, and my number one recommendation platform is CPA Grip. So what I'm going to be doing in this is let's go to CPA Grip. As you can see, it's on my platform now, and this CPA Grip today I just started a new campaign. So what I'm going to do is you're going to need a CPA platform. So you're going to go to CPA Grip like this. I'm not going to teach you how to create the account again because you're going to create the account the way you create other account like your Facebook account and so you're going to go to for the platform, type CPA Group in Google, something like this. This is how it's going to appear. So I don't have to create the account again because I have the account already, as you can see. For those that know me well, this is my surname and everything. So what I'm going to do is this. You go to the platform, you pick an offer. So you pick offers anyhow, pick an offer that is working well. So I'm going to do this for you not to stress yourself. You can see there are numerous offers here. You can see their offers. So I want you to go to this top performing offers here. So when you go to top performing offer, you will see a lot of things. So you go to a place like, look at this one, enter for an iPhone 13 Pro now. So when you enter for an iPhone 13 Pro, what you're going to do, when you get the link, you're going to give this link to people. So when they click on the link and complete what the links tell them, then you're going to get paid for $1.71, $1.71. So what you're going to do is, so when you pick this, I'm not going to teach you how to pick the link again because when you click on it, you're probably going to see the link. So when you take this link, what you're going to do is you'll be going to Quora. So I advise you to, when you pick the link, go to Kitly.com. Kitly.com is a link that will shorten your lightning for, because when you pick a bunch of links, people are not going to click on it. So when you go to, or I'll recommend you should use Tab Link. So as you can see, this tab link, when you click on the tab link, go to give it to sign up with. And what it does is you're going to create a landing page. So when you put the link in the landing page, because I'm not going to teach you how to do it again, you should know how to do it already. So when you create a landing page, so what it does for you, it's going to hide the link so that we are not going to get banned when you post the link on the platform I'm going to show you now. So when you click on the link is going to take you, when you click on this link, it's going to take you to sign up, or you can probably use this place, or you can use this place to sign up for free. So and what you're going to do when you sign up for free, when you sign up for free, create a landing page and put your link here, design it to how you might like. When you design it to your choice. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to a website called Quora. Quora is one of my recommendation. You can also use this Quora to sell also, but for now, let's use it for CPA offers. So what we're going to do is, let's go to Quora. So yes, as you can see, this is Quora. So Quora, you go there and create an account with them, create a free account with them. It's also a free platform for you to promote all your offers. So what I'm going to do is, the reason why I'm not going into details with it because I want this video to be too short for that to get stressed while reading it. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So we should do is we should cite for question. But what this Quora is all about is question and answer platform. When people have what they don't know much about, they come to Quora, ask questions, and people who know better, they will come and answer the question. So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend like you are going to come like someone who know better and answer all their questions. So I'm not saying you're going to answer all the questions they will be asking. So what you're going to do is, so although you should answer their question, but how to make it simple is you go to, because since we are promoting giveaway offer, like let's go back to CP Grip. Let's go back to CP Grip. This is the offer we are promoting, an iPhone 11. So because everyone love free stuff, no one that don't love free stuff. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to this place. When you are going to this place, so what we'll be doing is this. So when we'll be when we scroll down, when we scroll down, 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 you can see something like this. Look at this question and answer space. It's already having over 104,000 upvote already. So what it means is that a lot of people that are engaging on this post. So in order to make use of these people, so you are going to go to this place, which is a comment. So when you click on this comment, you're going to drop a comment. So you're going to write a converting word that to bring people to click on that link. You're going to post them. So when you click on it, as you can see, I just write a bunch of comments. So what you're going to do is you're going to write a converting word that will bring people to click on this. So when they click on it, so, then, so for people to click on your link, I mean, so and you're going to put, you must put your link in there. The link you create with your tab link, because I love that tab link already. So so what you're going to use is you're going to click, you're going to put your link in between the text anywhere, and make sure you also put sticker, because stickers attract people a lot. Someone like you use stickers on WhatsApp, Facebook, and everywhere. So you're going to put sticker for people to attract to your offer. So you write something in form of giveaway. So that is where I'm going to promote this affiliate link. So if I had value to you today, please subscribe to my channel for a more beautiful videos like this, because I'll be showing you a lot of things you don't know, you don't even know they exist. So nice meeting you today, and I hope to see you next time I post. Please subscribe and give me a notification. Other that you get notified by the YouTube algorithm when I post a new video. So thank you so much. I hope I add value to you today.